What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Jordan 4 RM. Let's go! So in this tutorial we're going to be loosely lacing our Jordan 4 RMs, and before starting the tutorial I padded out the shoe to make sure we could get that nice broad loose lace look with all our loops. So I'm going to put that one over there, and that's the one that we're going to be aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing the right shoe. So the first thing I've done again is padded it out, and we're going to bring the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. So just draw your lace up a little way into the shoe like that, and then when you take your lace across the front, just pull it flat between your fingers to get rid of any twists. And then we're going to bring the lace down through the opposite first hole. So again, just draw the lace a little way up into the shoe, and then to make sure that our laces are the same length on both sides, put the ends together and pull up. Just like that. Now I'm going to leave the front bar there nice and loose so it sets the tone for the rest of the lacing style. And I'm going to continue with the outside lace, bringing it across to the second hole on the inside of the shoe. Again, all the time, just making sure that you flattened out that lace, and then if you catch it on your finger like that, it not only helps to flatten it out, but it gives you a loop sitting above the hole. Then we're going to take our second lace, our inside lace, and bring it across to the second hole on the outside of the shoe. Again, catching it on your finger just helps you to keep them nice and loose. Then keep that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the third hole on the inside. And if you want to make sure that your loops are the same as you go up, if you open out your shoe like that, it will just widen them out. Then we're going to take that inside lace across to the third hole on the outside. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the fourth hole on the inside. And take your inside lace across to the fourth hole on the outside. And I'm just going to stop and stretch out my shoes to make sure that the lace is overlapping and they're all nice and loose. And then that outside lace comes across and it's going to go out of the top hole on the inside of the shoe. Like that. I'm going to pull it all the way through. And then the inside lace, do the same, take it out through that top hole, this time on the outside of the shoe. And draw it all the way out. And then you can see that you've got laces that are too long. So the easiest way to solve that is to bring your lace back in, leaving it out just the amount that you want. And it will leave you with a loop. And then I'm going to take the inside lace, do the same, bring it out. Check your two laces have got the same length, and then those two loops, they're going to go behind the tongue. So just push them behind there, and you'll wear those on top of your feet, like that. And there you've got your loose lace Jordan 4 RMs. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Jordan 4 RMs loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.